For me, what I think right now, the single greatest threat to Somalia is the internal security situation you have right now. And that includes, parts of the autonomous regions that are being controlled by Al-Shabaab. You also have a Gulf Council cooperation crisis that seems to have spilled into Somalia, where Qatar and the UAE and Turkey. And there also seems to be the return of your opposition leader after 1 year anniversary. I think his name is, I hope I'm pronouncing it properly, Shakuur Warsame. So for me, that's just your commentary, because I think right now, before Somalia starts to really, progress, that the internal security and the internal governance situation has to be solved first. So just your commentary on what you may be doing and what approach you may be taking.
Thank you. I think the in terms of internal security situation, if you look at Somalia 2 years ago, 3 years ago, today, I think you can see there's a huge difference. We're making significant progress when you look at the security situation. For example, 2 years ago when I moved back to Mogadishu, and when you look at today, a completely different city.
Does the government control all of Mogadishu?
Yes, definitely.